Hi, my name's Geraint and I'm an MSc student at Swansea University. My hobby is tropical fish keeping, and I keep fish that are largely found in the Amazon River from South America. The first thing we need to do is to understand the natural environmental conditions in the Amazon River in order for us to set up these biotope tanks. A biotope is simply an accurate representation of an environmental model, bringing nature inside the home. Now, the Amazon River is largely fed by rainfall that lands on top of the highest mountains in the regions and flows down the mountainsides into the basins and the main body of the river below. On its journey down the mountainside, the rainfall will typically be depleted heavily of its mineral content and its oxygen content. This is because the rainforest and the growth actually absorbs this from the water in order for it to survive. By the time this water then reaches the main basin and body of the river, with no mineral content and no oxygen content, the water is deemed to be soft. That is no reflection on the physical quality of the water, but rather tells us that there is no mineral or oxygen content. Soft water is then typically below a pH of 7, which is neutral, and is therefore acidic. The Amazon tributary rivers and the Amazon River itself are usually found to be between a pH of about 4.5 and 6.5. Now, that fresh rainfall actually feeds the river and cleans it. It ensures that the ecosystem is maintained and that there is a balance between all of the elements involved. We have to replicate that in the home aquarium by conducting regular water changes and also by using filters. These filters are made up of sponges and other various porous materials which allow the development of bacteria on the surfaces. As fish waste breaks down in the water column, it releases ammonia into the water, and ammonia is toxic to fish, so it's imperative that we get rid of it. As the ammonia enters the water column, a type of bacteria called autotrophic bacteria develops in the filter and starts to devour the ammonia, reducing the toxicity in the water. That process releases a byproduct known as nitrite into the water, which is equally as harmful, if not more so, to the fish. With the presence of nitrite in the water, another type of nitrifying bacteria known as nitrobacters start to develop, and they convert the nitrite into a harmless substance known as nitrate. Nitrate then in turn actually feeds the plants that I've got planted in the tank, and so the nitrogen cycle is complete and the ecosystem is perfectly balanced. I hope that that's been informative for you. Thanks for joining me in my fish room, and I hope to see you again soon.